Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to import your own fonts and create your own font atlas inside of Unity. First thing you want to do is you want to go to thefont.com, then you want to find font. I'm just going to go with this Super Mario 2561. You're going to click on download and you should get this zip file. Just want to double click on it, click on extract all, extract. Then you should get this true type font file. You want to go to your Unity project. You just want to drag and drop this into your scene, or into your project, sorry. Then you want to go to Window, then Text Mesh Pro, then Font Asset Creator, then drag and drop your font, and click Generate Font Atlas, then click Save, then click Save again, then close off the Font Asset Creator. Then you want to insert a Text Mesh Pro. Then you want to change the font assets to the one you want. And then if I just position this correctly, as you can see, we have our font. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.